Requested by Chucky Fatron 1999. Tyler and Ginger, come over here quick. Gotta show you something.
Okay, I understand that wasn't a whole payment. He paid you $140. So what happened to mastering the song?
I didn't even start it because my guys weren't going to start working.
What now, Tom?
I agreed to pay him that $140 back. He's going to pay me $105.
So why are you suing for $1,000?
We're gonna buy a new microwave today, and we need your help.
I don't want to do business with him anymore.
Come on, let's go.
I'm the one doing business with him and mix and mastering. I don't need that.
Yay!
But if I'm not getting him to do my mix and mastering for me,
Okay, wait for me.
that's what I was trying to retrieve from him. So I called the studio.
Okay, Tom, you asked for it. Where could it be? I don't know, Tom.
Judy Lou, you were suing the defendant.
Oh, wait, I think I hear something.
For $2,500 you say he
Hurry, get it.
for car damage.
Come on, get the microwave.
Accident.
Hurry up.
Countersuing
Okay, I got it.
dollars for harassment. Okay, we'll start with you.
Come on.
What happened? So on
Come to
May
Papa.
25th, 2016,
Uh-oh.
it was more
Here I come. Yeah.
blocked my boyfriend.
Gotcha.
And I was at a sunlight, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, he hits me from behind.
Wow, great job here. Now let's go home.
We stopped. I was red light. We stopped at the red light.
Okay, take a microwave with you.
Defendant just hit me. So I don't know where he came from. We got out of the car, and
Okay.
he had a passenger with him who was very rude and was like,
Okay.